Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dash cams that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vantrue E360. This dashcam records in 5.2K resolution, 5184 x 1944p, the highest fidelity of the options I tested. It features a 210-degree view for its front, outside, and rear inside lenses with a unique dynamic image stitching technology. I haven't come across this feature in any others that produces incredibly clear video quality. Using Sony Starvis 2 and HDR technology for excellent low-light performance, the E360 features 8 infrared IR lights that help the front and inside cameras capture clear images, even in total darkness. It responds to voice commands in 5 languages, so you can quickly record video, take a photo, turn the screen on or off, and more. I tried speaking in English and Spanish and found that it was fairly responsive when parked, but less so while driving. The 1.54-inch touchscreen can be challenging to operate given its size, but the interface is intuitive, and many of the settings are duplicated in the app. I had zero issues with the adhesive mount. A magnetic release allows you to easily detach the camera from the mount, but since the power cord attaches to the mount and not the camera, you can't adjust the settings while it's detached. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides fast downloads when connected to the dashcam's smartphone app, and onboard GPS will log location, speed, and driving routes. Given that it has the highest resolution in my test and the best low no-light performance, this dashcam is an easy recommendation for most drivers. I like its compact form factor and found that despite the small screen size, it's easy to use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Miofive Mini 2. In addition to being easy on the wallet, the Miofive Mini 2 is easy to use and gives you dual camera footage with decent image quality. Its quad HD front and 1080p rear cameras have a 130-degree field of view, which do a respectable job of capturing details in most lighting conditions. They struggled in dark environments though. Without a built-in screen, you can only review your footage from the Mini 2 using the Miofive app on your phone via Wi-Fi. That said, you can also view, download, and share your recordings without removing the memory card. It also has GPS and a parking monitoring feature, and Miofive provides free over-the-air updates, firmware upgrades to keep the device updated. At number 3, we have the 70x4K Omni Dashcam. If you want to cover almost every angle around your car, I recommend the 70x4K Omni. Its front camera rotates 340 degrees with a wider than average 146-degree field of view. Using AI motion detection, the camera automatically follows moving objects. With an optional 4G LTE modem, you can also control the camera from your phone to view live footage remotely. The dashcam's 4K resolution captures crisp video, and Sony Starvis 2 image processing documents minute details in low-light conditions. Combined with 70m's LumiVision Night Owl Vision technologies, and you get clear, full-color recording, even in near-total darkness. The built-in GPS tracks the car's location and speed, and in the event of a collision or a sudden impact. With all the incredible features, there's one flaw. It has the smallest screen of the dashcams I tested. That said, I didn't feel it was any more difficult to use than the slightly larger screen of the Vantrue E360. Similarly, I was consistently impressed with how easy it was to use its advanced features. At number 2, we have the Escort Maxcam 360. The Escort Maxcam 360 is 2 devices in one, a dashcam and a radar detector, which is a great space saver on your windshield. There are other dashcam radar detector combos out there, but this is the only one that puts both devices together in a single unit. The Maxcam 360C offers basic driver assist features such as an emergency mayday alert and a parking mode that protects for your car while you're away. It also has GPS and features both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, allowing you to view radar alerts, your route, and other information on your vehicle's in-dash display. Aside from the high price tag, it's by far the most expensive of all my picks. I don't love that it doesn't have a display, which means you can control settings and review footage using the Escort Drive Smarter app. This would be fine, except that I had quite a bit of difficulty getting the device to sync with the app, and even more getting the app to play video files. Recording in 1440p resolution with an older Sony Starvis sensor, the image quality is good, but not great, and suffers more in low-light situations than other dashcams I've tested. And finally, at number 1, we have the 70mm 4K A810 Dashcam. The 70mm 4K A810 is a low-price, feature-packed twofer with dual-channel recording that captures crisp HDR video across both its front and rear cameras with Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors to ensure great low-light recording. The 3-inch screen is the largest of the dashcams I tested this round, and great for viewing videos and managing settings. The companion app makes both of these functions and others even easier, and when you pair your phone with the dashcam via Bluetooth, built-in GPS records time, date, location, and speed, which can serve as crucial evidence after an accident. Basic driver assist. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.